Hello, uh, good morning, guys. So today we are going to start a topic called crane system. So crane system, it's nothing but comes under the automatic car parking system. So we studied about the AGVs. AGV is nothing but the automated guided vehicles that helps to park the your car or a particular product from one point to the another point without any human intervention. So similarly, we are going to study the next topic called the crane system. So everyone know about what is the meaning of a crane. Crane is nothing but it's a type of a mechanical machine device that helps to move the very heavy parts from one point to the another point. So that is the use of the crane system. So this crane system which we are using in the automated parking system or parking area. So this system is used utilizing a single mechanism that is simultaneously perform the horizontal and the vertical movement of the vehicle to be parked or retrieved in the parking system. So this mechanism allow the vehicle platform to move to and from one parking spot to another very quickly. So next one is a crane mechanism has a vertical elevator platform fitted and it's move horizontally on rails, typically located on the floor and ceiling of the parking area where vehicles to be parked and retrieved are placed, which means that the floor to ceiling opening in the center of the system is required the crane to operate. So I'll explain how the system is working. So in this diagram, as we seen here, there are n number of cars which is parking vertically, right? So just imagine that we have a lot of spaces here, but how we can effectively use this space for a vertical parking? So vertical parking is nothing but as we park one car in the floor, above that car we are supposed to park again one car, another above that we can park another car. So in such a way that at least we can park 5 or 6 and number of car can be parked. So in such a situation we are supposed to use the crane system. The crane system having a pretty good of structure that can capable to lift a car from the ground floor to the first floor or second floor, how much floor you have, whatever the requirement and all. So this is all about the crane system. So as I told that it is able to move the vertical as well as the horizontal lines. So as compared to the crane system, as compared to the automated guided vehicle, crane system is a simpler in operation. Everyone can understand what exactly the operation is. This diagram clearly shows about how the system is working, and I hope that it does not require much more explanation on this crane car automatic car parking system. So this is simpler in operation. So a lot of companies are using this type of crane system. The applications of this crane automated car park system in hospitals, malls, then shopping centers, whatever it may be, when the too much crowd come gathered here, say for example cinema theaters, and also it's a lot of cars and lot of bikes comes to a particular gathering to a particular area. So in such a situation we are supposed to use this type of a crane system.